Hey guys, want this handwriting text animation in After Effects? First, create a composition with 60 FPS. Add a new text. Change size, spacing, and the font. Use Alt plus the mouse wheel to zoom in. Select the pen tool or press G on your keyboard. To start a new mask, go to the previous point and then start a new one. Go to Effects, search for Stroke, and add to your text. Copy my settings. Make sure you're on the first frame, then click on the clock and put 0. Go a few frames ahead and put it to 100. You can see the text isn't smooth, so press U on your keyboard. Select both keyframes and easy ease them. Now open the graph editor and follow my graph. You can try out yourself what fits best for you. Go back to Effects and add Deep Glow. Copy my settings. Again, go back to Effects. Search for Drop Shadow. Add to your text and copy it. Lastly, add Bevel Alpha. For edge thickness, put 4. Your text is ready, sir. You could add S_texture cells if you want. Also, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel, as it took me very long to edit all my videos.